You're not the only telephone call that I am making today. This is not a sales call. I have
Listen to me now. Don't waste my time. Tell me what's the amount you want to pay. Look it up.
$1 per square foot. Can you imagine if you were a doctor, an actual medical doctor who had a shingle hung, and you stuck tongue depressors into children's mouths all day, and then you had a horrific, disgusting, filthy laundromat that you were running into the ground, and someone called, keep imagining, and they wanted to lease that space from you? How would you act? Let's listen in. Hey, Doc.
Hello. Hi.
It's Danny, the laundry guy.
The laundryman.
Well, if you say so.
Okay. All right, what do you need from me now?
I want to rent it from you, bud.
You want to rent it from me?
You didn't save my number? You don't remember our conversation?
No.
I don't like you.
Why don't you like me? You're a prick and I like you.
No.
Listen, I get too many calls and too many issues.
Right.
So why don't you come and see me and see where do you live? Where are you from?
I live in Chicago. Mm-hmm. Where do you live? Where are you from? Doc, I own 36 laundromats. I am looking to build on that empire and expand upon it. We talked about this briefly 2 or 3 months ago. I am looking to sign a lease, fill this place with new equipment, and give you a rent check. You told me you're a doctor. You've got other things. You explained that you don't really want to operate the laundromat.
Hello?
And we just, hi.
I want to be a doctor. This isn't a game to me. This isn't playtime. This is serious business.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. I'm just reiterating our conversation.
Listen, so what do you want me to do now?
I'd like to discuss lease terms with you, and if those terms are reasonable and commensurate, we will sign a lease and give you a rent check. Instead of sitting on the laundromat, you'll be sitting on a rent check.
All right. So come up with the amount and let me know. Okay?
Okay. Let me try to explain this. You're not the only telephone call that I am making today. This is not a sales call. I have
Listen to me now. Don't waste my time. Tell me what's the amount you want to pay. Look it up.
$1 per square foot. I'm sorry, Doc. I'm not sure why you're being combative. We've talked in the past. I saved your number.
Don't waste my time. Listen, don't waste my time.
Okay. Hey, Doc. You are sitting on a horrific He hung up. Now we are wasting his time.
This guy.
Let's call him back. Let's see if he has the balls to answer. Here we go.
Your call has been forwarded to reach is not available.
Yeah, he's
At the
afraid.
tone, please record your message. When you have finished.
I said the same thing that he's scared. I said, what are you afraid of? He's going to play this game every time. So set your calendar for 3 months. We'll call him back.
All right, Danny, you got it. I'll set it for 3 months.
I can't get upset. I don't pull strings. I'm not some puppeteer. This guy is the laundromat even operating? Is it still open?
I can swing by again.
Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time.
That laundromat's a waste of time for
Why
him.
don't you come by? I'm gonna. Is he an actual doctor or a retired doctor or not a doctor at all?
Not too sure. I just did a few Google searches. It looks like he's still within an office somewhere up there.
Well, find his office number. We'll call him there and we'll harass his secretary.
All right, you got it.
All right, bye. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.